The English we speak.
From bbclearningenglish.com.
Hello and welcome to The English We Speak. With you, Rob.
And you, Fei.
Hey, Rob, how are you enjoying your new life in the countryside?
Oh, it's great, Fei. When I get home at night, I get to smell the fresh air and look out on green fields. Ah, yes, the country life is for me.
But come on, Rob, you must miss the bright lights and the excitement of living in the city.
Well, I get that by coming to work right here in the centre of London. I have a great night out and then slip off to the peace and quiet of the country. Perfect.
Perfect? I don't think so. The countryside is too quiet. The city is the only place for me.
No way. I've got the best of both worlds. Excitement in the city, relaxation in the country.
The best of both worlds. You think you get the advantages of two very different things at the same time.
Yes, that's right. Let's hear some examples of the phrase, the best of both worlds, in action.
Working part-time means I get the best of both worlds. Time with the kids and a steady income.
Our hotel is by the beach and just a short train ride away from the city, so we get the best of both worlds.
We get the best of both worlds with our new car. Excellent fuel efficiency and great acceleration and speed.
So the phrase the best of both worlds means you have the benefits of two different things and none of the disadvantages. But surely, Rob, there must be some negative things about living in the country.
Such as?
No shops, no pubs or clubs, having a long commute to work every day.
Oh, I can cope. Anyway, commuting by train is fine. Time to relax and shake off the stress of the city.
Maybe not today, Rob.
Why?
My news feed says there's been a major signal failure. All trains to your village are cancelled.
Cancelled? Ugh, so I can't get home. Any chance I could sleep on your sofa tonight?
So maybe it's not always possible to have the best of both worlds, Rob.
Maybe.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
The English we speak.
From bbclearningenglish.com.